Hi guys. Waiting for the partisans. Apparently, in the opinion of the Russians, this should show the strength of the Russian army, but an armored train in the 21st century looks a little strange. And we are not seeing enough videos with anti-tank weapons used by Ukrainians like we used to. This is Ukrainian-made Stugna P launcher, and Russian tank turret flew into orbit after being hit. And a Russian T-90 tank tried to fire on Ukrainian positions. It didn't end well for the crew. What if you are stuck in a mud with a tank? Only other tank can save you. And this is US donated M113 APC in Ukrainian service. According to the Ukrainian tanker filming, it's just like an American car.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.